Hello everyone from Marbella, Spain. This is WowProperty here. Today it's going to be our pleasure to show you a luxury 3-floor villa with 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, rooftop terrace and a private cinema. The price at the market is 2.8 million euros, but it's also available for short-term rentals from 1,000 per night in a low season to 1.5 thousands in high season. So if you want to come and enjoy your luxurious holidays, I will leave all the information down below. Entrance of the house, and the first thing you're gonna notice is the size of the front door. You can see, comparing to me, how big they are. The size is pretty impressive. And this is our entrance area. We have our staircase here, which leads up to the second floor and the rooftop terrace, the basement, which I will show you later, and the elevator, which leads up to all the floors. And there we have our open area, which is basically cut in 3 sections. We have our living room area here, dining room area here, and the kitchen. Let's start with the kitchen. As you can see, you have plenty of space to do your cooking. The style is very minimalistic, but overall I think it's very functional kitchen. You have everything you need: the fridge, freezer, oven, wine cooler, toaster, coffee machine, cooktop, basically everything you need to enjoy your stay here. And next we have our dining area with a huge and massive white table on the middle, which sits up to 7 people. Next we have the heart of the house, or a living room area with this huge gray couch here. We have plenty of space with a lot of pillows. You can sit here and enjoy your time with friends or family, whatever you're coming with here. You have your gallery wall here, and right in the middle this white massive wooden table where you can put your drinks or snacks on. And at this side we have this huge TV. And another great thing about this house, that almost every room have direct sliding door access to the outdoor terrace, but that I will show you later. And next I will show you our first bedroom, which is ground floor. So we have our shower room here. This is our ground floor bedroom, which has been beautifully furnished with a king-size bed right in the middle, 2 side tables with a lighting on. We have our closet space here and another one here, also a TV, table, chair, and as I mentioned, direct access to the outdoor terrace, which I will show you later. Okay, next we're gonna go to the second floor. Okay, let's go. Now I will show you the master bedroom. This is the shower room for the master bedroom. And this is our beautifully furnished master bedroom with a king-size bed right in the middle, 2 side tables with a lighting on, a gallery wall, one closet space here, another one here, a TV in the middle, and another closet space here as well. And now I will show you the best part of the master bedroom. This is our sliding door access to the outdoor terrace with a sea view. And this is the staircase which leads up to the best part of this house, which I show you later. And these are 2 sliding door access from the both bedrooms to the wonderful outdoor terrace. This is our second bedroom on the second floor. Each bedroom in this house is quite similar furnished. We have our bed right in the middle, 2 side tables with the lighting on, and one thing that I want to point out is this blue bed end. It's really soft and gives you a really cozy feeling of the room. And at this side we have plenty of closet space as well. And now I will show you third bedroom on the second floor. As I mentioned, it's quite similar to separate beds, side table, lighting, TV, and a closet space on this side as well. And now let's go. I will show you the best part of the house. And this is what I'm talking about. The best part of the house, this rooftop terrace with this amazing sea views. I think there's no words needed. You can see for yourself. I can just imagine myself to sitting here while drinking my morning coffee, or I can sit in the hot tub while enjoying the sunrise or sunset while drinking a glass of wine. Or if you want just to lay in the sun, you have your sunbeds here as well. And I think you can imagine yourself here as well, just sitting, enjoying, and spending your holidays in this absolute beautiful place. Okay, but now let's go to the basement. I will show you another great feature of this house. Okay, this one you really like. This is your private cinema room. You can watch all your favorite movies here. You have your couch here, few sitting options here, table, another one for your snacks, just like in a real cinema, just in your own privacy. And at the basement we have another bedroom. I will show you. This is the shower room, and of course another beautiful bedroom with a king-size bed in the middle, 2 side tables with 2 lightings on, gallery wall, and 2 closet spaces. And if you want a little bit more of the daylight, you can just easily open your window and you will have your little outdoor terrace as well. Okay, now I will show you the garage. It's pretty spacious. If you want, you can park your car here as well. I think it's enough space for 2 cars. So yeah, let's go. I will show you the backyard. Okay, now I will show you the backyard. So this is your backyard terrace with your private swimming pool, which is heated all along the year. And on this side you have your eating area. If you don't prefer eating indoors, you can eat outdoors while enjoying the weather. And right after your eating area you have your chill out setup with a few sitting options and table right in the middle. And on that side you have your barbecue zone and of course your sunbeds as well. So now you have seen all property, and at the end of the video we would like to say thank you for watching. We really appreciate your support, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button for us because we have some really exciting videos coming soon. That's why stay tuned and see you in our next video. At the end of the video, we would like to say thanks to 5-Star Car Rental Marbella for giving this amazing opportunity to enjoy the ride with this luxury car. And if you're ready for your luxury ride, I will leave all the information down below.